Hello, my dear kids. Welcome to our phonic lesson. So, yesterday we learned something, right? Do you remember what sound was that? Yes, we reviewed a sound formation, right? Let's see what are we going to do today. So, children, our objective for today is learners will review the phonic sound A through activities. And our learning outcome is learners will review phonic sound A in the beginning sounds. Okay, children, let us now listen to the phonic sound sound.
The sound for E is E, E, E. Here is the song for E.
Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Crack the egg like this, eh.
Okay, children, now can you say the beginning sound of these pictures? Look at this picture. Can you tell me what is the beginning sound of this? Yes, it is egg. So what sound we hear when we say egg? Eh, eh, eh. Now what is this picture? Yes, elbow. So what is the beginning sound you hear? Eh, elbow. Very good. Now let's find out some more sound object. Look at this picture. What is this, my dear kids? Yes, you're right. It is butterfly. Can you tell me, do you hear a sound in the beginning when you say butterfly? No, it's not starting with a sound. It starts with b sound, right? Let's look at the next picture. Can you tell the name of this picture? Eh, egg, eh, egg. So do you hear the beginning sound, children? What is the beginning sound? Do you think it will get cross or correct, right? Yes, it starts with a sound. Let's look at the next picture. Can you tell me what is this picture? Cat, cat. So, do you think it starts with a sound? No, it doesn't start with a sound. What is this picture? Elephant, elephant. Do you think it will get a green right? Yes, it starts with a sound. Let's look at the next picture. What is this, my dear kids? Yes, apple. It's healthy food, right? Even egg also. So do you think apple starts with a sound? Eh, eh, sound? No, apple doesn't start with a sound. It starts with a sound. Let's look at the last picture. Elbow, elbow, elbow. So do you think it starts with a sound? Yes, it starts with a sound. Very good. Clap for yourself, my dear kids. Okay, so can you think of some more objects with a sound now? Good job. Well done, my dear kids. Reflection time. So, listen to the riddle and identify the objects. Find some objects from your home that begin with a sound. The first riddle is I am a big and fat animal. I have a long nose. My name begins with a sound. Who am I? Who am I? So tell your mommy what is this thing, okay? You can even draw the picture of this thing in your book. Let's look at the second riddle. I am a body part. You can find me in your arm. I am hard. I start with a sound. So which body part do you think has a in the beginning? Don't tell it now. You can draw it in your paper. Okay? Good job. See you soon. Bye bye.